Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get all skins for free in Animal Company. You can get every single skin for completely free using an Animal Company promo code. And I'm going to be running through the steps that you need to take to go ahead and get this code. So guys, cosmetics or skins are pretty rare, some of them, and this code is going to be unlocking each and every skin or cosmetic in Animal Company VR. So before I show you guys this promo code, make sure you like this video and go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I am going to be creating more VR content. So let's not waste any more time. Let's show you guys how to get free skins in Animal Company. What you're going to want to do, guys, is just use your mobile phone internet browser. Now, just use your mobile to get your Animal Company promo code for your cosmetics, and then you can go ahead and redeem it in game. So you just enter it into the computer, and you've got to go to www.coldcoupons.com. So just go ahead and type it like this. So let's type it correctly, guys. Cold Coupons, and it's going to bring you to this web page here, guys. Now, they don't only have promo codes for Animal Company, they of course have codes for pretty much everything. So it's going to take you a long time scrolling through all of the pages. So there is a search bar which simplifies the process of finding the Animal Company promo codes. Now on this page there is 5 different working verified promo codes, and they're pretty popular as well. So what you're going to want to do now is just scroll down and find this code, which is at the top for me, Animal Company free skins code. So this is going to unlock all the skins or cosmetics, whatever you want to call them. And this is a simple promo code that you can redeem in game. So you would enter it into the computer, and that's just going to unlock all skins for completely free. So because these are limited codes, there's 500 plus codes there, as you can see, and what they give you is pretty damn good. So it does limit 1 code per person, guys, which is understandable. This stops people from taking all of these awesome codes. So you need to unlock your Animal Company promo code for free skins. So click on get full code, and you just need to follow the instructions on this page here, guys. Pretty easy peasy lemon squeezy. You just need to complete 2 of the free tasks below, and that is going to unlock your Animal Company promo code from Cold Coupons. And as you can see, there is a list of tasks on this page. As you can see on the right side of the screen here, they're all completely free. And these are basically like mobile apps and stuff. You just got to make sure you read the instructions, because that tells you how to complete each one. So this one, Cash Giraffe, install, open, and then you have to install 2 apps. So it'll take you to the App Store, for example, where you just download that app, and you just got to follow what it says there. So just complete 2 tasks. I'm going to skip forward. Like I said, I did this earlier, but once you do that, it will then unlock your Animal Company promo code, and you redeem it in game, and that is how to get every skin for free in Animal Company. So that is going to get you all cosmetics for completely free. So that is it, guys. Just a quick video. I hope you found this useful. Go to Cold Coupons, navigate your way to this Animal Company promo codes page, and select the all skins code. They do have other things as well, but yeah, the all skins code is the one that's going to get you every skin for free. So hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.